Ka Sorkar Meghalaya kalatmu ban yakendu ya ka Sorkar Pedeng lembat ke jing ai jingmut ban pinkelai ya ka rekom trekam ha ke jingjingai ka bahap hapo ka package 1 jong ka Surok Shlong Dauki. U Menteri Rangba u Kongrat ke Sangma ulo ong ba ka Surok bamut ban yat na railbong menshwa kamdei ka flyover. Ka Sorkar kadang wat ya ki Surok ba kham kenjang ka ban let Sha Anjali petrol pump. Uloong baki he ka Nhidcl kilaya menjur ya ka Surok ka bakham kenjang. Ki projek balakmi biang ha kene ka jingelang ka kentup ya ka Surok nong ston wa kaji ranikor nong helam Mahesh Khola bakmara bat ka Western Bypass.
We've gone through all the projects and we've asked each contractor to give a deadline on the different works. We have asked them about the problems that they're facing. And based on that, we have asked the officials to resolve those issues. And now we'll be continuously monitoring this because this is a working season. So we would not want to lose this time. And therefore, as I said, all the important projects that are being implemented by Nhidcl, we have gone through each one of them. So there are different problems being faced by different projects. Some areas it's land acquisition, some areas it's forest clearance. So depending on project to project, and even in land acquisition, there are different issues. But as I said, we took up each one in the minute details, and we're hopeful that we'll be able to, to resolve all the issues.